Okay, we have a new version of Trick Shot Tuesday. This is one of my favorite things to do. You can do it indoors or out. If you do it indoors, you really need to be careful not to hit a lamp or the TV or the ceiling fan or something like that. So maybe practice first outside. But when you get home and you have your shoes, what you do is you take your shoe off just a little bit to where your heel is coming out, and I am going to flick my shoe into the basket. Jake is going to also play along. We put the basket that we had our socks in on the bench, and that's where we're going to start it. We can shoot from anywhere, and I like to shoot with my right foot because I'm right-footed. So I'm just going to try to flick my shoe off of my foot and into the basket. Oh, right over it. Okay, good try. I'm going to try it a little bit farther because I think it's a little bit farther. Ooh! Give yourself a time limit or go relay style, or you can just practice flicking your shoe. Anyway, you get the idea. This is super fun. Do it in your house, do it outside. Just be careful not to hit something or someone. Do something fun. Come up with something fun on your own. Do any of our lessons. Do all of our lessons. Do something this week that you find joy in. Be active. Get on your bike. Walk. Do something fun with the adults in your life or the other kids in your life. Put it on Seesaw and